Western Australia is home to some of the most breathtaking destinations on the planet. WA isn't just a place that stands on the world stage, it's one that quietly redefines it. Welcome to the southwest of Western Australia, where our ancient lands meet our world-class experiences. And I reckon I've got the perfect one that'll make your taste buds dance. True. I'm in the heart of Wurundjeri country, about 2.5 hours south of Perth, at Providore's ultimate taste of Margaret River. A place that brings together the best of the region on one beautiful working farm. And joining me today to give us the inside story is CEO Martin Black. Martin, mate, what a place.
Thank you.
How did it all come about?
Oh, we bought this property, a group of friends, going back 28 years now. And over that time, we originally started with the chocolate factory on the property. And over the years, we've planted vines, we've planted olive trees, orchards, chooks, honey. And we realised that a lot of what we were representing was really giving you a good taste of Margaret River. You know, we were giving you all the sort of things in one location on a 200-acre working farm. So we packaged it up as the ultimate taste of Margaret River.
And you bring in the community, so there's a lot of produce, a lot of other people growing products.
Absolutely. We get people from Nannup or from across in Bridgetown who once a year bring us their plums or their apricots or whatever it is, their aubergines, and then we use that within the products here. Whatever we've got in the garden we use as well, but that's only a relatively small amount, so we do need to supplement that with other local growers.
As you make your way through this picturesque farm, the experience really comes alive. You'll be tasting your way through chocolate, coffee, liqueurs and wine, all while wandering the vineyards, olive groves, veggie gardens, and even checking out the free-range chooks. After all the tasting and exploring, you can sit back with a gourmet toasted sandwich and a little something to wash it down. Providore actually started as a spin-off of another WA favourite, the Margaret River Chocolate Company, which is turning 27. Over the years, more than 20 million people have walked through its doors, across 3 locations, the original here in Margaret River, the historic Swan Valley, and Perth City. Famous for its bowls of free chocolate tastings and viewing windows, the Margaret River Chocolate Company is still winning over new generations of fans locally, across Australia, and even around the world. With over 200 mouth-watering treats, from their famous rocky roads and gourmet bars to giant freckles and handmade truffles, I tell ya, you'll want to try them all. Did you know that the Margaret River Chocolate Company also gives back? Through the sale of their unique chocolates, like the frog, the turtle, the quokka, and some more WA animals, they actually support the research and conservation of WA species. And if you ask me, I reckon that's another sweet reason to buy more.